Turn your living room into a true cinema. No wires, no compromises, just thunderous, immersive sound. The AWOL ThunderBeat wireless sound system is engineered for those who crave the full theater experience at home or outdoors. Unlike ordinary soundbars, ThunderBeat's expansive 4.2.2 channel setup features 4 wireless satellite speakers and 2 powerful 8-inch subwoofers, delivering a massive 480-watt output for room-filling, dynamic audio that puts you right in the action. With Dolby Atmos and DTS support, upward-firing speakers create a genuine 3D soundscape, so you'll hear planes fly overhead and footsteps behind you with pinpoint accuracy. What sets ThunderBeat apart is its wireless freedom. Proprietary 5.2G and 5.8 GHz frequency hopping technology ensures stable, lossless audio throughout your space, while HDMI eARC, Bluetooth, and multi-room support make setup effortless and clutter-free. The system is perfectly tuned out of the box, with simple controls for bass, treble, and satellite volume, plus 4 sound modes: movie, music, news, and KTV, to match any mood. Pair ThunderBeat with an AWOL Vision UST projector and you unlock a true 5.2.2 surround configuration, using the projector as the center channel for crystal-clear dialogue and a seamless, cinematic soundstage. Whether it's for big-screen movie nights or open-air events, the AWOL ThunderBeat redefines wireless home audio with power, precision, and pure theater excitement.